welcome back to Drive Future, and today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most important luxury SUVs of the year, the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90. This is a vehicle that has always been about calm confidence rather than loud statements, and for 2026 Volvo XC90, the XC90 is not trying to be the sportiest SUV on the road or the flashiest, but instead it focuses on being the perfect family luxury SUV, blending safety, comfort, technology, and Scandinavian elegance into one incredibly well-rounded package. From the very first glance, the 2026 XC90 looks familiar, yet noticeably more modern and premium. Volvo hasn't reinvented the design, and honestly, it didn't need to. The clean lines, strong proportions, and understated confidence remain, but the details have been sharpened. The front grille now looks more sculpted and refined, paired with updated Thor's Hammer LED headlights that are slimmer, brighter, and more intelligent than ever. The bumper design is cleaner, giving the SUV a more upscale and aerodynamic appearance. Around the sides, the XC90 maintains its long, elegant profile, but new wheel designs and subtle chrome or blacked-out accents, depending on the trim, give it a fresh edge. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights and a smoother tailgate design complete the look, making the 2026 XC90 feel premium without being overdone. Step inside, and this is where the XC90 truly reminds you why it's a favorite among families who value luxury without excess. The cabin feels airy, calm, and beautifully crafted, with Volvo's signature Scandinavian minimalism on full display. High-quality materials are everywhere, from soft-touch surfaces and real wood or aluminum trims to plush leather or sustainable upholstery options. Volvo continues its push toward eco-conscious luxury, offering recycled and responsibly sourced materials that don't feel cheap in the slightest. The seats are exceptionally comfortable, with excellent support for long drives, and the front seats now offer improved heating, ventilation, and massage functions on higher trims. Technology in the 2026 XC90 has taken a noticeable step forward. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a larger, more responsive vertical touchscreen powered by the latest Google-based infotainment system. This means built-in Google Maps, Google Assistant, and access to a wide range of apps, all integrated seamlessly into the vehicle. The interface is smoother, faster, and far more intuitive than previous versions, reducing distraction while driving. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the digital instrument cluster is crisp, customizable, and easy to read. Volvo has also improved voice control, allowing you to adjust navigation, climate, and media with natural speech, which is a big win for everyday usability. For families, space and practicality are just as important as luxury, and the 2026 XC90 delivers strongly here. With 3 rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers, and unlike many rivals, the 3rd row is actually usable for adults on shorter trips. The 2nd row offers generous legroom, easy access to the 3rd row, and available captain's chairs for added comfort. Cargo space is flexible and well thought out, with plenty of room for groceries, strollers, luggage, or sports equipment. Fold the rear seats down, and the XC90 transforms into a capable cargo hauler, perfect for road trips and busy family life. Under the hood, Volvo continues its electrified approach, with 2026 XC90 is expected to offer a range of mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains with a strong focus on efficiency without sacrificing performance. The plug-in hybrid variant delivers impressive electric-only range for daily commutes, allowing many drivers to run errands without using any fuel at all. When the engine does kick, then power delivery is smooth, refined, and more than sufficient for highway cruising or overtaking. The ride quality is another highlight, with the XC90 soaking up bumps and rough roads effortlessly, especially when equipped with the optional air suspension. This SUV prioritizes comfort and stability, making it ideal for long family journeys. Of course, no Volvo would be complete without industry-leading safety, and the 2026 XC90 takes this to another level. It comes packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automated emergency braking. Volvo's latest pilot system has been refined for smoother, more natural driving support on highways. The XC90 also uses a suite of cameras, radar, and sensors to constantly monitor its surroundings, helping to protect not only the occupants but also pedestrians and cyclists. This relentless focus on safety is what truly sets Volvo apart in the luxury SUV segment. When it comes to competition, the 2026 Volvo XC90 goes head-to-head with heavy hitters like the BMW X5, Audi Q7, and Mercedes-Benz GLA. While those rivals may offer sportier handling or flashier interiors, the XC90 stands out by offering a perfect balance of luxury, practicality, safety. 90 cents out by offering a perfect balance of luxury, and I made it. It's an SUV designed for real life, not just showroom appeal. Volvo understands that family buyers want comfort, reliability, intuitive technology, and peace of mind, and the XC90 delivers all of that in a beautifully executed package. So, is the 2026 Volvo XC90 the perfect family luxury SUV? For many buyers, the answer will be very close to yes. BSAII, it may not be the most aggressive or performance-focused option in its class, but it excels where it truly matters. With its elegant design, serene interior, advanced technology, efficient powertrains, and unmatched safety credentials, the XC90 continues to be one of the smartest choices in the luxury SUV market. If your idea of luxury is comfort, confidence, and thoughtful design rather than loud excess, the 2026 Volvo XC90 might just be the ideal SUV for you. Thanks for watching Drive Future, and we'll see you in the next video.